Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the light bar on your PlayStation 4. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on. And also if you guys do find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so in order to change the light bar from your PlayStation controller, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have multiple profiles on your PlayStation 4. So as you guys can see, the first profile has a blue light bar. And then let's say if I switch it, so we're gonna switch it right now. Alright, if I switch it to my second account, it's gonna turn red. As you guys can see, it turned red. And then the third color would be green. So I'll switch to my third account. And as you guys can see, it switched to green. And then the last color would be purple. So yeah guys, this is how you change the light bar on your PlayStation 4 controller. It would be better if PlayStation added like a feature where you can like just change it from the settings, and it would be a lot easier. But for right now, this is the only way you could change the light bar on the PlayStation 4. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys did find this video helpful. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like. And also if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.